take off.
Oh my god, and
Taking off like that. But no,
that
it's
was
gonna crash into the computer.
Nick, how do you record?
Valerie, you're gonna break your laptop.
She's not gonna break it, she's being careful.
Miss Valerie, what happens if you fly it all the way to China?
Oh dang it, that's so far.
The drone wants seeming
Well,
nowhere.
I don't
check this
see
out.
it.
Drone is all the way over there, right? So I can press this. This means return to home, and it's gonna come right back to me. Let me show you it landing.
Valerie, can I show my brother?
You wanna show your brother? Yeah, you can show
That
your
was weird.
What was weird?
My brother,
How it just came back.
my brother is right over there, planting my dad's plants.
Alright, so we're having
Valerie,
he
you
left.
got-
You guys wanna fly it one more time?
In fun.
Yay, yay.
Valerie, can you show another?